No intro, raw footage. But what's up, guys? How are you doing today? It's your boy Cakes. I'm back with another video. Yeah, the Z's still down. My turbo still hasn't came in. I really miss driving that car, honestly. Like, I was pretty sad because, like, I put the new motor in and I only drove it like 2 days, and then turbo took a shit. But it's all good. So what's new on the EVO? I haven't really did anything new. Oh, I put a blow-off valve. I didn't do a video on that. It's pretty simple. So it does have a blow-off valve now, so it makes the cool achoo noise. Oh, I put a little carbon fiber on the dash. Hey, little carbon there. It honestly looks really sick. Really, really sick. I like it. I get to stare at it all day. You know, I love carbon, so that looks sick. I traded my 17-inch, the MB Battles. I traded them for these wheels. You guys check them out. I actually like them. They look pretty damn clean. They're not bad, not bad. I believe they're Advent Reps. They're Miro or Miro wheels, whatever. That company's actually been around for a while. I remember when I was looking at M3s to buy like a long time ago, I saw some wheels that they sell and I was like, damn, if I get a BMW, I'm definitely putting those Miro wheels on it. But I never got a BMW because C is life. So yeah, I traded the wheels up, just straight trade. I didn't give him no cash or anything. We just straight traded. The guy told me my other wheels, my Advans, are going to be done today, but then he texted me and he told me Wednesday. So I'm like, So I was planning on getting my tires and those on. Oh, for you Vegas followers, me and the Society crew will actually be out there on Friday. We're going to be out there for Elite Tuner this weekend, so that's going to be dope. So I'm trying to get everything on the car like ready. Today I think I'm gonna go grab some caliper paint and respray my rear calipers because they look like total ass. Like, literally, they look like pink lemonade, and I can't do that. I don't have time to take them off and get them powder coated and shit. So probably gonna grab some paint and go ahead and make a video on that today, restoring my calipers. But besides that, guys, nothing big. I think I might have a few things in the mail to pick up. I think my wastegate came, so I'm gonna go check the mailbox, see what's good with that. Yep, and I was right. Got my wastegate for the EVO. That is the last piece I actually need for the new turbo setup. And I believe this is my plug for the windshield wiper delete. Sick. It's crazy. I was just posting about this yesterday, how I go random places and people know who I am. The guy in Pet Boys, my man Alex, hooked me up. He's like, as soon as I walked in, he's like, fresh kicks? I'm like, damn. Like, man, this is crazy, bro. I'm getting recognized everywhere. So, yeah. I got my little paint. Just red caliper paint, a little bit of primer, some masking tape. I need to go get some trash bags because I'm not using my Glad bags. Those are for Breeze Scented, my boy. Those are not getting used for paint. Alright, got my large trash bags. $1. That's all I need. So, we're good. Off to the shop. Oh, and I put a stereo system. I forgot to tell you guys. Yeah, I have a Kicker L7 back there in the trunk, so it's slapping. That is one of the first mods on every car I've ever owned that I did. Beat is life. Beat is life. If you drive a car a lot, you need a stereo system. Stock radio is not the business. Let's hear that blow-off valve. So loud. Like, literally, I scare people with it. It's just comedy. It's just hella loud. I think I'm gonna make a video like scaring a bunch of people with my blow-off valve. I think that would be pretty funny. Alright, guys, so here's my pink lemonade calipers. Honestly, these look terrible. This shit looks like it came off like a 1991 like something. So yeah, I'm gonna need to get that looking normal. I mean, the front ones were replaced. He put the EVO X brake, so front ones look cool, you know, nice bright red, they're cool. But this one, I can't, nah. Can't be rolling around like that. That Tomei though. So yeah, gonna clean this up a bit, tape it off, get it prepped for Fresh's collision and repair center. So I learned this really cool little trick. Basically he just he opens up the trash bag, puts a small little hole, and then puts the caliper through the hole, and basically it pretty much seals it off like really good without you having to mask like everything. So that was a cool little trick. Alright, so masking this off is literally being a pain in the ass because the damn wind. Like out of all days, there decides to be just a little gust of wind, so it's just like like look at this shit. Everything looks all fat. Like it's just getting air everywhere. Like I'm gonna have to tuck this shit like hella good. Annoying. Alright, so this is as good as it's gonna get. I ran out of fucking bags, so I had to use some paper bag. Fuck Poom. The master at making cars fast. The nigga that does nothing, just comes unique.
Bro. Cute kicks.
I should have paid you to mask this shit off for me.
Mask off. What?
Alright, so, yeah.
What is that?
So yeah, basically I had to like mask this shit off, like tape it to all random places because this shit was like touching the caliper because of the wind, but I think it should be okay now. I don't expect it to be perfect. I don't really care. It's just temporarily. Okay, first malt coat of primer. Already this is not looking good. Like I sprayed it and the shit is just literally, all the overspray just going over there. So I'm like, man, I need more bags. I don't want to get overspray all over the wrap. That'll be all bad. But I don't know. It's not too bad. Alright, second little coat of primer. Already looks better. Just with primer. I'm kind of just timing it. I'm spraying it like when it's not, like the wind's not blowing. So that'll take a little minute, but it's all good. Alright, I think we're good. Got about 4 coats of primer. So go ahead and throw this shit on. I don't know if I showed you exactly what kind it is. But yeah, I see most people just use this. I mean, it's nothing extraordinary. It's still rattle can, but it's gonna look better than it did. That's all that matters. Alright, first light coat. And the red actually looks pretty good. Put a really light coat. Probably gonna do about 5 coats. Yeah, it's gonna look a lot better for sure. Alright, here's the finished product. It actually doesn't look that bad. It's not bad at all for some spray can. 100 times better than it did. It's a little bit more red than the fronts, but it's alright. So there you go. 20 bucks, guys. You can have your calipers looking like new or better than they are. Not too shabby. It's clean. Put about 5 coats. So put the wheels back on, let these dry. So much better. Pops so much more. Yes. Watch it all come off tomorrow. Nah, it looks better though. That's all I needed. So now to remove this, it is windshield wiper delete. Like, who uses that? I don't need it. It looks ugly. It's going bye-bye. Alright, got that tin off. Got these tins off. It should just pop off now. I'll figure it out. And that's that. Basically, it's just a 22. Popped it right off, and you're good to go. It's done. Alright, so the glory hole is open, and I got the plug. I got it on eBay. It was like $10 or something. So yeah. And that's that. Officially have been butt plugged. Hopefully it should don't leak water. I'll be sad, boys. I think it should be alright though. Oh yeah, it's good now. I just pushed it down really hard and it locked in, so that's not leaking. Simple. Oh, here's the sub, by the way. Fat ass L7. Gotta have that base. Let's take this off, see what it looks like. So much better. Who wants a windshield wiper on the rear window? Man, has a little nipple, but still looks better than that big ass shit. Yes, 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 yes. Details, guys, details. Oh, look at the caliper, so much better. This gas full. So, new wheels, supposedly Wednesday. Not new, but new look. Getting those back. Yeah, that's about it. Pretty simple. I'm probably gonna end the video here and I'll probably continue it when I get the wheels.